All right, there we go. Cool. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Welcome back to our session. Welcome back to our live trading session. And this is brought to you by TD Markets. All right, so we're just gonna do a recap on the setups we spoke about earlier on. All right, so we're still holding a buy on EURUSD, right? It's now on a risk-free. If you took this buy, move your stop loss to break even, or you can close it if you want. All right. So I'm still holding this buy. EURUSD. EURUSD, I adjusted my stop loss. Right. It's now floating on a loss, right? But I've adjusted my stop loss, so I might be stopped sooner than you, right? Because your stop loss, if you took this trade, the stop loss that you used, I think it's around. I think it's around 1.026. No, 1.02965. That's the stop loss that I initially gave out, and then yeah. So when the market moved to profit, I just adjusted my stop loss. All right. So EURUSD is still running in a profit. EURUSD is still gonna hold it, right? And the other trade ideas we spoke about, basically, the market has been slow today, right? Yeah, things are just not moving, right? So USD pound, USD yen, USD JPY, right? This has just been moving slow, but keeping an eye on this trade idea. Keeping an eye on this trade idea, right? Looking for a break and a retest, before we go down. So that's a trade idea for now. And then so EURUSD is active. Euro yen, we are carefully looking at this for some buy trades. All right, so EURJPY, it's another one. Carefully looking at this one for some buy trades. Yeah, so let's see how it will move. All right, and the pending order on pound CAD, we're still holding the pending order on pound CAD. We're gonna close it. So if the market doesn't do anything before the end of the day, we're gonna close this trade. Right, I mean this pending order, right? This is not a trade, it's a pending order. We're gonna just delete this pending order if nothing happens. And EURUSD, we're still at it, right? It just came back down, expecting this to continue to the upside again, right? And then AUDUSD, we spoke about a possible buy on AUDUSD. All right, the market is still pushing to the downside, so we are keeping this, we are watching this carefully for some buy opportunities. All right, that is AUDUSD, the same as NZDUSD, right? Keeping a close eye on this for some buy opportunities. Yeah, I think these are the trade ideas. So far we're still holding EURUSD and EURUSD, right? Still holding EURUSD and EURUSD. Euro yen has not formed as yet, but we are looking for a buy on Euro yen. All right, and then AUDUSD and NZDUSD, we're also gonna look for some buys on these ones. They are still pulling back, right? Expecting price to continue. This is still pulling back as well, so we're expecting price to continue to the upside. All right, and yeah, basically there's no momentum at the moment in the market. USD CAD still in the same spot. So the pound news event this morning caused this market just to drop, right? But this too to drop, right? But now there has not been any movements ever since. All right, so yeah, so do keep an eye. Still hold euro odd, still hold euro swiss. Euro odd is running plus 80 pips. Euro swiss is just floating in a loss. We might get stopped out on euro swiss. All right, we might get stopped out on euro swiss. It's okay. Euro odd will recover that loss on euro swiss. If you want to close euro odd, you can go ahead. All right, and we'll look at how this. I think I'm gonna close it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close this before the end of the day, but we'll see. All right, nothing on USD JPY, nothing on GBP USD. All right, so yeah, let's see how the market will move. And yeah, so I think that's where we're gonna end it. Nothing is happening at the moment, but we still have our setups. All right, so just keep an eye, continue and keep an eye on these setups, and we'll see how they are on tomorrow's session. All right, so yeah, so that's where we're gonna end it, guys. Just a quick in and out, quick in and out. Just give you guys an update. If there's trading opportunities, then we're gonna take them. All right, so I'll catch you guys on tomorrow's session. All right, enjoy the rest of your day, guys.